Alternatives generation. When you take a look at this technique, it pretty much spells out what you're doing here. You're trying to generate alternatives for actually doing the work on the project. It's used in defining project scope. You know, there are many ways to skin a cat, but this examines multiple alternatives for carrying out project work or a project process. The word generation alludes to the fact that you're trying to generate these multiple alternatives. And multiple alternatives can be generated by using a technique, brainstorming, by using lateral thinking. If you Google the term lateral thinking, you'll realize it's identified with a man called Ed De Bono. And Ed De Bono's website will allow you to actually attend some webinars that will expose you to great concepts of lateral thinking. Lateral thinking literally blows the lid off your ability to think of alternatives. It's a great way of generating alternatives. Some of the alternatives may seem far out, but it gives you so many different ideas on how to generate multiple ways of carrying out not just project work, but any endeavor. So in other words, when you analyze the alternatives, you use lateral thinking, you use brainstorming, you come out with so many different ways of doing things, generating alternatives.